in the factory in Warsaw with my workers.
Oh, and you didn't.
Sandra
Hey,
and my
hey.
husband.
Lotek,
He's
gdzie
busy.
jesteś?
We will see what is happening here. And they call this old factory. We follow the ladder. A children's playhouse. There was a restaurant.
Kids can play with, everything about the post. Allegro is like they can play and can watch about real work.
And there's some entrance there. Play kids stuff.
Widzisz, jak jesteś dzisiaj to możesz zjechać.
Oh, look, the factory they used to be.
No słuchajcie, nie ma.
Oh.
You are old. You can do that. It's not. If you want, you can do that. Not problem. It's for everyone. It's not just for kids because I don't see anything like that.
Wow, so nice. Look, it's designed for factory actually. Oh, we have ceramics here. I don't know. Just like seeing very nice stuff around. All 4 tablets if you want. Cosmetic. And jewelers. Here.
That's
What we call this one?
from the original factory. Very heavy. You can find information in Polish. Podoba Ci się? Tu możesz czytać.
The factory used to be this machine in the old times, and they preserve here. And they have some information you can read. And you can also find some nice. The heavy engines they were used in the old times. So we just watch the video. I don't know what is this, but seatbelt. So I think it's a nice brand. The old factory turns into a mall. Under the entrance. And still, no, they make it this factory turn into a mall, like, and also at the same time it's a museum. That's what I thought about. We have restaurant also here, and what is the mini house is there? It's not open
You
yet.
can sit and you can just drink coffee.
Yeah,
We will do that after.
yeah. We should. We shouldn't miss it. Do you think this is the old one? And yeah, you make totally restaurant. Okay. Nothing much interesting in the third floor. We will see in fourth floor. Art box, Ngevin, what does that mean? It's television, I guess. Immerse monet. Do you want photo? And this is a cinema. We will somehow see what is this here.
And I want to go into your video. And that's Anna.
Say regards to all. Shout out to everybody. A restaurant also and coffee. Sandra, where have you been? Sandra, where's this place? Do you like it? The factory mall. You look happy, huh? It's your first time?
Oh, factory. This is my first time I've been here. So I like it.
So we enjoy our day. This is our moment.
With the boys.
With the boys. Our translator is going so far.
Don't let my husband hear.
Yeah. Yeah. It's good. Good for you. And this is a bar, I guess.
Yeah.
You wanna drink? Tell me. We can buy. Only for today. Tomorrow not. And we're gonna go down. Have a nice day.
You like it?
Yes, we very like it.
have something more for kids like you. You see that?
Yes, we also have. What is that? Paris? Look like Paris, no? It's a destiny. We have market, little market here also. Yeah. You can buy all somehow what you wanted.
Maybe we can try that around.
Yeah. I think it's a different mall. It's not a factory again. We will see what what they have. Oh, timbangan pa sila oh. A jam.
Watch out for your bag with your documents.
Yes.
Just, yeah.
$30 zł. Polished preservative. What's that? Ah, okay, okay.
Sour fruit with
What is this?
apple juice.
What, apple?
Yeah, with apple juice. You can try it. It's very good.
Okay. That's the
Let
bar.
it sour.
That's the bar. On the side. Okay, okay, wait.
Look what they do. They only try. They only try. Cake? No, it's not cake.
Cake, yeah?
No, it's not cake. No.